One of the great things, of course, about photographing with wireless flash, whether you're working with speedlight flash or in this case studio flash today, the benefit is obviously it can be blocked. In other words, it can be hidden behind a surface, whereas infrared flash tends to need reflected light of something else for the infrared, or if it's working on a white cell, where basically one flash will trigger another as long as it can see some white light. When you hide things behind surfaces or materials, often they kind of just go a little bit dead and things really. So that's one of our problems. So in this case, wireless is no issue. Princess, move the feet down to that back corner if you could, just a little bit more. I know I want it all. And now laying back for me, please, baby. That's lovely. Let's use the right hand. Twist the legs around towards me, I think. That's lovely. Let one stretch out more. That's lovely. Bring the knee down. And let's just do the shot. So look away towards the white for me. And again, keep it. I'm just going to bring in my steps to shoot the overhead as well. So the biggest problem that we've got if we used auto white balance, I should have said before, is that every shot could be slightly different. Eyes to me, please, Molly. Turn the head to me more, please, darling. That's lovely. It's there again. Keep it. Both hands above the head for me. Every image, and slightly turn the head away again. More. That's lovely, darling. Keep it. It's gorgeous. Let's flip over and lay on your belly for me. Oh, in fact, let's do rotisserie chicken, shall we? You know what I mean, but there you go. It means that a little bit at a time, we're going to slowly turn the client across towards us, yeah? But yeah, just turn a little bit. So just lay in here. Okay, so at this stage, there is no lighting on Molly. So as much as we may like the idea of the shot, there's technically nothing on her. For me to be able to kind of really get away with this shot, I need to actually have light coming onto the face and things really. So this is where perhaps the secondary light is going to do its job. Or we move the bed around, okay? So when we're doing the rotisserie, at this point, it's no good because she's been looking into the dark zone. So we're not going to get you looking at me, Mol. So if you flip over onto your belly, as I originally asked, that's lovely. Just feet up to the bunny rabbit. That's gorgeous. Bury the head for me. Just keep it. Keep it. Can you go up into the kneeling pose for me, please? That's lovely. Knees wide apart for me. Turn your bottom around to me just a touch more. That's it. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And just bring your hands behind as if you're doing up the bra for me. Keep it. And again, darling. That's lovely. Okay, so whilst we're there, to have the kind of the lit shot, I'm just going to swap back to that 85mm. And do the same shot, please, Molly. That's lovely, darling. Look towards the light, which is that one. Keep it, again. I'm just trying to keep all the image within the confines, so I've kind of limiting the retouching or the cropping or fixing or whatever it will be and things really. So that's lovely. Let's lay on your side for me if you can. Just move the feet down that way a little bit more. In fact, let's go almost onto your belly, I think. Watch your boobs. That's lovely just there. Okay, let's pretty much lean down. That's gorgeous. Looking off towards the side more. Keep it. Let me just change lens again. So that 85 is just a bit too tight. And again, please, Molly, straight there for me. It's gorgeous. I think what I'm going to do though now, whereas that stone was good beforehand, I'm not absolutely convinced it's what I want for a minute. But before I fuss too much, it actually looks okay, except down this left-hand edge, yeah? I've got to obviously fix all that and everything else, which is just a bit of a shame. It does hide the white background. It's a shame we haven't got a bigger brick wall to actually go across there, because that would have done a job, of course, as well with it and things really. So do you know what I mean? Just so I don't need to change you much, I'm going to flip you onto your back again. I do apologise. And bring your head over towards the light for me. That's lovely. I need all the light coming in from this side, yes? So I'm just going to do some more shots, but from the actual head position. Looking towards the window more, that's beautiful. And again, keep it. And the head towards me now, please, Molly. It's gorgeous, Dan. Let's move that pillow out the way for you. One more. Keep it. And again. Eyes closed, darling. Keep it. It's lovely. Nice, relax. Okay, let's, I'm going to turn the bed. So do you want to jump off there for me a minute, please? Just going to turn the bed head around. So I want the kind of the shots that we began to do, but we needed light onto Molly. So where possible, we want the light coming in from behind the subject. However, we also need the light coming in from a side or wherever it will be. So in this case, all the light is coming up from there. We're going to also just get this one ready in case I actually start to actually bring it into the shot as well. And I just wonder if I can get away with the white wall. Remember, this is the first time we've photographed in this setup. So as a rule, you'll be learning everything that you're doing at this stage is going to be a kind of a learning curve for you. Okay, Mol, let's get you, yeah, that's much better. In fact, now that is in the way. Let's jump on there again, please, Molly, and we'll go onto your back, please. And this is where we will play rotisserie chicken in a second. Okay, just there, it's lovely. Turning the head towards me again, please, darling. More. It's beautiful. I'm just going to move these pillows. Sorry, I do apologise if you need to jump off again. We need to cover up the bed head. Can I just move the quilt? Thank you, Molly. Let's go again, please. I'm going to get down quite low so we can kind of get the shot done. That's lovely, it's there, let's do it. Okay, turn around for me now, please, Molly, if you can. So really roll around to me. That's lovely, it's there. Looking towards the light, keep it. Just again for me. And roll and almost on your belly fully for me. That's lovely, looking towards me now. It's gorgeous, lower the chin more. That's lovely. Just adjust the strap here. It's lovely again. Bring this hand in towards the hair or something, looking down towards the bed. Can you push this knee forward more for me? That's it. And again, just put both hands straight out, I think, really long. Cross the arms as well, if you can, please, Molly. Looking towards me again, darling. Lower the chin again. Eyes to me. It's lovely. Okay, yeah, pretty good. Let's just finish off on the high key with using this kind of light up here as a part of it.